In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad tracking in Davinci Resolve using some of the best tracker tips. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, mastering the tracking tools in Davinci Resolve can significantly elevate the quality of your video projects. Today we'll walk through a step-by-step guide to resolve those dreaded tracking issues so you can achieve smooth and professional looking results every time. First things first, open up your Davinci Resolve application. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Blackmagic Design website. Once you have it opened up and ready to go, the first task is to click on a project. You can either choose an existing project that you're having tracking issues with, or start a new one to practice. With your project open, the next step is to determine the section where the tracking isn't working as expected. This can usually be detected once you notice an object or point not moving consistently throughout the clip. Right-click on your video timeline to access a contextual menu that offers a variety of options to help fix this. Now from that right-click menu, you'll want to look for the option to add an additional track. This is crucial because sometimes having a clear path to track a certain object may require additional adjustments from different layers or tracks. Simply click on Add Track to create this new layer on your timeline. Once you've added this track, you'll dive into some finer adjustments. It's often helpful to zoom into your video timeline to ensure that your tracking markers are accurately placed. These markers are essential for helping Davinci Resolve understand which points need tracking. The more accurately you position these markers, the better your tracking results will be. Another key tip is to ensure that your points of interest are in focus and well lit. Poor lighting or out of focus footage tends to confuse tracking algorithms, leading to inadequate results. So if you're having persistent issues, check those aspects as well. From here you can also manually adjust the track position if necessary, especially if it still isn't aligned perfectly. This manual intervention can sometimes be the difference between a good track and a great track. Finally, once you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with your tracking, don't forget to play through your video segment to ensure everything looks good. This is your chance to spot any potential issues before considering the work finalized. Following these steps can significantly improve tracking in your Davinci Resolve projects, bringing you one step closer to creating seamless professional video content. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy editing.